Hello, welcome to IMS Expert. Today I am going to explain you how to operate cashback reconciliation form. To open this form, move your cursor to far left corner. There you can see a slider with a list of modules at bottom of it and a list of forms of selected module at the top of it. Now our reconciliation form present in the cash and bank module. So select that module and you can see the list of forms present in cash and bank module at the top of it. There you can see cash bank reconciliation option. Click on it to open our form. Then a form will appear in this manner. Now in this form, what actually we can do is we can verify all the transactions of an account up to a period with a physical bank statement. Now to do that, first of all we have to select the account from this drop down list. Now I am selecting an account. See, I have selected this transaction and you have to select the period until which you want to reconcile. See, I am selected July 3. Up to July 3, I have only one debit transaction to reconcile. Here, you will be listed with all non-reconciled debit transactions here and non-reconciled credit transactions in this list. So after appearing it, you have to enter the closing balance as per physical bank statement here. Like I have got a bank statement with a closing balance of 32 rupees until this period. I have entered it. And now I have correct information here. Like I have done a transaction with an amount of 32 rupees. So I want to reconcile it. Means I have verified it and I want to save this information that I verified this account. So first of all, click on this check box. If you have 100 accounts, means 100 transactions, then after entering the account, you have to check each the transaction. After checking all the transactions, just click on the verify button to verify the transaction. See here, I have entered balance of 32 rupees and I have checked this transaction. Now the difference is 0. Why? Because it is correct. The bank statement and my transaction both are saying same amount. So the difference comes 0 and then you will be appear with the reconcile form, means reconcile button. To save this data that you have checked this transaction, click on the reconcile button. So this transaction will be saved as reconciled. Now there are some other options available in this form, like remember. What actually remember do is, say I have selected this transaction and I want to reconcile up to here. Now in this account I have lots of transactions to reconcile, more than 100. So say I have entered the amount as per bank statement, say around some 5 lakhs, and I am checking each transaction one by one, credit transaction and debit transaction. I have entered all the means half of the transactions. I checked half of the transactions and I have some other work to do first. So I'm moving further, but I want to remember all the transactions that I have checked up to now. So when you are moving to other form, just click on the remember button. Then all the transactions that you have checked will be remembered. And when you come back to this form, then all the transactions that you have checked will be appear, so that you don't need to check them again. So then check all the transactions. If bank statement and all the transactions are matched, then you will get difference as 0. Then you can reconcile. I hope you have understood how to operate this form. Thank you. Have a nice day.